Hey beautiful people, Exotic Nappy Beauty here, and today in this video we are going to be doing a Lindy Bop try-on haul. If you guys are not familiar with Lindy Bop, they are a online vintage clothing store. Their clothes are beautiful, well made, and inexpensive. You know your girl loves to save some coins. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned. Alright, so let's just take a moment. I know y'all see my Savage vintage set. This is just a two-piece high-waisted panty and top set. And isn't it cute? Just had to take a moment for that. Don't be hating. Don't be hating. Your girl only got one thing from there, but more is coming. So I just had to say that. So moving right along, I got about 8 or 9 items from Lindy Bop in this bag like this that just has some lips, and it says Lindy Bop on it. I was recording. I thought I was recording when I just opened the bag, and I wasn't, so everything is already out of the bag. But this bag was filled to capacity, and the order was very swift. It came in 4 days, and like I said, I got everything off the sale rack. I don't have the prices. I don't know why they didn't send me the prices, but I will link everything below, because I hate when people do videos and don't tell me how much it costs, because that lets me know if I want to even go to the website or not. But everything was very inexpensive. Everything was under $30. Every dress was under $30. So don't worry, your girl got you. I will put it below in the description box. So this is what the dress come in. It just come in a plastic bag with the little lips on top, and it says Lindy Bop UK. So let me give you a little advice. When you go on the site, make sure you're going on the Lindy Bop USA, because they have a Lindy Bop USA site and a Lindy Bop UK site. So I, like a Dumbo the first time, ordered off the Lindy Bop UK. The shipping takes longer, and all the prices are in UK prices, and also the sizing is all in UK. So I was just guessing with the sizes. So this time around I ordered from the Lindy Bop USA. Their sizes are in US sizes, but they still come in UK sizes. So, but you will get US sizes, which is easier to shop in. And the shipping was very fast. Like, it took 4 days. So, let's get to it. So, let's do this first one. The material is very thick. This is what the first dress looked like. It has this stretchy material in the back. I got this in a US 8. It says UK 14, because like you said, the sizes are going to be the UK sizes. So look, I mean, it's UK 12 because I got it in a US 8. It's stretchy, so I felt like I could do an 8. And this was called the, I forgot already, this was called the Bambi Blue Holland. It has these tulips on it and this pretty stuff at the bottom. It's very cute. Hopefully I'll pick one of these for Mother's Day. Depends on how it fits. But first I'm just going to show you all the dresses that I got. So this material is very sturdy. When I first started dressing vintage, this is where I got my first set of clothes from, Lindy Bop, and I've been happy with everything that I've gotten from them. If you want to send something back, make sure to keep this tag on it. They will not accept it back. I've never had to send anything back, but I'm just telling you, that's what it says. So that's the first dress. All right, so the next dress is this one. This is the Pink Tokyo Sunset. You see they have sunset on the bottom. No, this is not the Pink Tokyo Sunset. Hold on, let me see which one this is. No. All right, this is the second dress. This is called the Pink Surfer. As you can see, it's a girl surfing on the dress. It's water down here, and then it has little birds. It's pink, great material. This one has a zipper in the back. It still has a lot of stretch in it. So I went on ahead and got this one in a US 8 and a UK 12. Okay. I ordered and I forgot what I ordered. So when I see it, it's like I'm seeing it for the first time. I don't know what happens when I get on the website and start ordering. I'm just clicking, and don't even remember what I'm ordering. Okay, so this third dress, I wanted a more fitted dress. So this one is kind of see-through and thin. It has a little split in the front. Has a lot of stretch in the back. And then it has that tie around the neck in the front. And this one I got in a size 8 as well, because I wanted to be fitted once again. And it's cotton. Very cute. And this is called Purple Poppies. I think this one was the least expensive dress that I had. So I can't wait to look at the price and see how much I paid for this. So let's put that there. All right, this fourth dress, I've never had a dress like this, but when I saw the model in it, it was so cute and so vintage. It was really cute. So it's made out of this chiffon. I don't even know what kind of material this is, but whatever. It's made like this, and look at the detailing. It has these little buttons down the front. The sleeves are sheer, and it has all these little airplanes and airmail on it. So I went up a size in this one because I was reading the reviews and it was like size up, and it doesn't have any stretch, so I didn't want it to be too small. So I got this one in the US 10, so hopefully it fits well, and it's a long length as well. This one is called Mid Plains Floral. That's the fourth dress. This one is I love pink. Okay, I love pink and purple. Those are my two favorite colors. So this one is pink and purple. I like how thick these straps are. It has a little bow in the front. This is the Tokyo dress. This is the pink Tokyo sunset. So on it, you see they're in Tokyo. They're on little boats. It's pink and purple, and it's red at the bottom. This is adorable. I got this in a size 8. It's a lot of stretch in this. Can't wait to try this on. Alright, so the next dress is this one. I love this neckline. Look, it's so different. That neckline is so cute. This is called the Turquoise Floral. This is a size 8. You see the little button detail on the front. This one has a zipper in the back. It's not much stretch to this one, so I hope I can get into this one. It's no stretch at all in this one. And then it's A-line. It has tulips all over it. That's number 7. And then called green fruit. I love stuff with fruit on it. I just love stuff with fruit. So this is what it looks like in the bag. Just has Lindy Bop and the little lips. I don't even know what this is, so let me take it out. Oh, this is another dress. Oh, I think it's similar to the other one. So yeah, it's like the other one, but just different. It has little points right here on the sweetheart neckline. It has a zipper in the back, but it has a lot of stretch. And it has all these big, beautiful bold fruit on it. So let me tell you, if you don't like patterns and stuff like that, then you wouldn't like this website. It has a lot of patterns and a lot of colors and all of that. I do have some things that don't have it, but most of it is patterns, colors, and things like that, which I don't mind. I love patterns. I love colors. I just love being colorful. It makes me feel good, so why not? So that's all the dresses that I got. I'm going to show them to you and see how they fit, and we'll try these on together, and hopefully we'll both like everything that I got. So stay tuned.
For the sake of this video, I'm going to wear the same petticoat throughout. I just want to show you how the dress looks with and without petticoat. Both ways is very cute. This here is Myrtle. She is a rockability style halter neck swing dress. It does have lightly padding in the bodice and is very comfortable and very girly. Ooh, child, I was sweating trying to get this dress on over these boobs, honey. Hide your kids, hide your husband, because these boobs are popping out of this dress. But I finally got it on. It's very cute, fits very well. I probably won't wear this bra with it because it just made it extremely tight. It has the cute little belt that looks very cute. It actually came out well in pockets. You know we love pockets in the dress. This dress is very dainty and it met all of my expectations. I love it. Let me introduce you to Amelia. She has a lightweight chiffon type fabric. This is a classic tea dress shape. It's kind of gently flared out at the skirt section. She also has gathered panels at the bodice. She has decorative buttons to the front and decorative buttons to the cuff. This dress, it also has a concealed zipper to the rear and it's fully lined. It was very comfortable, very lightweight, and really girly. This is the Marlene dress. It has a high neckline with adjustable spaghetti straps. It also has a concealed zipper fastening to the rear with 2 side seam pockets on the skirt. As you can see, it has a wide flare skirt with a lined bodice. and it's designed for a comfortable fit. And it's also made from good quality stretch cotton fabric. Sis, so this here is Myrtle. Myrtle had no stretch, okay? This zipper took me through the ringer. So I'm just gonna let y'all know this zipper was a no for me, dog. I'm gonna need them to get better. You see this big opening in the back? I'm still gonna wear it though, because I'm gonna figure out how to get that zipper up there. But next time, Myrtle, I'm gonna need you to get better. Do better, be better. The name of this dress is the Audrina. It comes with a fitted line bodice with princess seams. It's sleeveless. It's had wide flared skirt at the bottom. It also comes with 2 side seam pockets on the skirt. I really like this dress. Last but not least, we have Mirage. She's a 1950 inspired jersey wiggle dress with poppy print all over it. She has a halter neck tie fastening with a V-neck line with crossover bust detail. She also has a fitted design with a side slit detail, which is very cute and dainty.
Alright, beauties, that's the end of the video. I really enjoyed everything. I liked everything. A good haul is when you don't have to send anything back. I highly recommend that you shop at Lindy Bop. No, this is not sponsored. I pay for everything with my own coins, and I recommend that you do the same. So, I'm trying to pick one of these outfits to wear this Sunday for Mother's Day. So let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite and which one you think I should wear. And I may do my Mother's Day video letting you know how I styled it and jazzed it up. And that'll be coming out soon. So please thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a beautiful day.